What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. I don't even know if you can see me right now. It is so dark. It's like 4 in the morning, I want to say 3:30, and we are at the flea market. This is an antique flea market. It's the vintage flea market. When you're going in, there's literally a sign that says everything that you're selling has to be 20 years or older. It's a different type of flea market than like the one I go to every week. What are you like doing on like types of empty boxes as well, like these two?
Yeah. Well, sometimes the box is worth more than the game.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, sometimes they're cool to have the boxes because I don't have them, but sometimes I'll find these
never
things.
Sold. They're asking 179, but never sold.
Oh, it hasn't sold? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a rough one then.
Yeah, I do 50 bucks.
All
so
right,
this is 50. This is 50.
What would you ask on these boxes over here too?
Okay, this box 50 bucks.
All right.
Yeah.
And how about for the Sega Genesis?
50, yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty clean looking. You wouldn't be able to go 90 for both of these? There's 50-50. What were you asking on this other box as well?
This one.
This one right here.
40 bucks. It's hard to find these boxes.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's terrible.
Yeah, especially like the manuals and stuff. I'll just give you 20 more bucks then. You keep it 10.
Oh yeah. Give
you 20 more bucks.
20 more.
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Make it easier.
We have this.
What are you asking on this one?
Is it in here too?
No, it's missing, unfortunately.
20.
How much?
20. The game is not here?
No, unfortunately, I wish. Oh, the Game Gear. The Game Gear one?
Yeah. I don't know if it works or not, but
would have been dope.
somebody got the box there.
Yeah, me. That's
oh, you did, damn you! He told me, he's like, somebody got the box, and I got that.
So
Together we become M&M's,
I mean,
bro.
I paid 30 bucks. You want to give me what I paid for? Honestly, you can just have it for what I paid.
Okay.
Another one sold for 375.
Okay. I just see what one sold for too. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, it might
It's
be,
up to you, man. If you guys, it's up to you.
250 right here.
I know it's up to that.
It's sold for 250.
No, no big deal.
It's sold to 250.
I know.
250. Yeah.
125 would do.
Huh?
125.
Oh, so you went up now? Good, I'm good.
100 bucks.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I got to pass.
It's 100 bucks.
Yeah, because here's another one, 147. I find them all over. It's okay though.
This one, same condition. 250. 100 bucks. You're gonna make 100 profit. Guarantee on that one, you're gonna make 100 profit.
I'll do 20 bucks on this.
It's minty.
Let's ask how much you ask on that one.
20 bucks.
You go 20 bucks with his empty case?
What did he say? What did Juan say?
I don't think I asked on that one. No, I haven't asked on it yet.
Stixx Flea market. But we did good last time with this stuff. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
What are you asking on this?
20.
I'm gonna get the PS1 for now.
Oh, okay.
How about something like this? Something like that.
20.
How about this one?
Almost monthly.
Most of them are 20. Okay, I'll get this one. Thank you, man. What are you asking on like a PSP?
I think it's missing a button.
Oh yeah, huh?
The button, but still in good condition, but only the button.
Yeah. What are you asking on still?
$100.
So this is everything we've bought so far, guys. It's a bit hard for me. I'm having a hard time finding other things. I obviously mainly buy video games, but at this market, it's just mainly like a lot of clothes, guys. Like, you gotta know your clothes. I hear all of them just talking about it, and like, they're very fair. A lot of people know there's resellers and stuff, so they're fair and they talk about it. But I don't know prices of none of these clothes, and very much, I don't know any antiques really. It's bad just to get into one like thing. Like, me just buying games isn't the best, but at the same time, I think it's good to like focus on one thing sometimes, just so like you know what you're looking at. Like, you can always like find a video game, know how much it's worth, and know how much to pay for it, and you can sell it quick to like your audience of video game people that you have. Since I sell everything for $1, start on whatnot, I've been getting a good like fan base so far of just video game people, because I bring video games only. I bring nice stuff. Like, I'm gonna start stuff like this for $1. This sealed Game Gear X-Men game, you know, stuff like that. We're pretty crazy. You see like stuff like this listed for like $150 to $300, and this is just a box. But I mean, I paid 20 bucks for just this box, and I could probably sell it for like 60 to 70 bucks, I bet. Just paid 20 bucks for the Armored Core V. Could sell it for 70 bucks. And I paid 40 bucks for this. because I paid 40, I paid 80 together. Or maybe 45 each, so it'd be 90 together, I think. But I think this box is literally worth like at least like 100 to 150 bucks with like all the manuals and such in here. How much you asking on this?
A couple of them?
Oh, that's how these older ones are. Like they come with a couple discs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see like disc 4, disc 3.
Okay.
Yeah, you need them all to play it. But yeah, what are you asking on it?
30 my friend.
All right. Would you do 20 bucks on it? Appreciate you, man. That's a nice console you have too there in the box.
Yeah, I have a couple of them. I got without the boxes over here.
Okay. You said 300, right?
Yeah.
We're down this way.
This is what our booth looks like, y'all. We got 4 different booths here, and if you guys know, if you guys are from around here, these booths are expensive. They charge like $150 a booth. He did that because we're bringing a lot of fire things. We've already made some sales. I think he's maybe sold a couple $1,000s worth already, and we still have a lot of nice stuff. Mainly furniture, obviously. So, Pirate, Dad, how much have you sold so far today?
Not much.
You don't want to tell me the price so far?
I don't roughly know, but not near what, not even a smidgen.
Our biggest piece over here are these mermaids. I think we're selling them together for like 7,000 or like 2,500, 5,000. I want to say that's this price. We've got these 2 crazy tables. I think it's like Pussy del Rossi or something like that. Pussy di Rossi.
Stop talking to yourself.
Come on, Liz. Yeah, if you guys look up that name, this thing is crazy. I was surprised myself. These things were selling for like 15 grand, 12,000, 8,000, like between that range, a lot for these tables. I don't know what he's asking. I want to say maybe like 3,000. And this is one of the reasons why Alameda Flea Market is dope. Look at all these food places. Usually when you go to a flea market, there might be like a food truck, but this place, they have a bunch of different people like serving food. Right now we're on the way to get the Pirate a sausage. I don't know what I'm gonna get. We're back a couple days later from that super long day at that flea market. Oh my goodness, guys. We left the house at about like 2 o'clock, 2:30, and we got home at about like 4 or 5. Like, that was not a cool day. But sometimes you have to do that. The Alameda Flea Market is definitely different than compared to like Stockton where we normally go. I spent roughly $200 on everything we see right here. Sounds like a steep amount, right? $200 is kind of a lot. But the peak price for everything here is about $820. That's like the peak price, and there's fees and stuff after. But that's not too bad. 4 times your money. And that's without like, I can put a console inside of here and make this worth like 350 bucks by itself, which I get these consoles all the time. Hopefully I find one for like 20 bucks soon, and we got a good deal right there. I'll definitely end up selling this Sega Game Gear box by itself. I want to say I could literally get like 100 bucks for this. I see online they go for like 100 bucks. We're gonna try that out. We got the Sega CD Slam City. Pretty cool find. I've never bought any game like this, so I thought that was cool. Pretty sure we could sell this one for like 75 bucks, give or take. Armored Core V. I paid up on this one. He was charging 20 bucks a game, and almost every game there was worth like 5 or 10 bucks. But then there is this one hidden inside of there. This one's worth like 70 or 80 bucks, give or take. I honestly should have just offered him 10 bucks and see what would have happened. Sell this one for like 45 bucks, just console only. This game was pretty cool. It's not like a super expensive one by like game only, but since it's complete in the box and it's like really clean, this is worth like 70 bucks for its condition. I actually have this sold already. I need to pack that up. I can sell this box only for like 70 to 80 bucks. I want to say it. I actually ordered the game. The game itself I found for 20 bucks online. It's worth about 20 to 30, 35 bucks. I got it for 20 bucks. And I'm gonna have a complete in the box game. And there's sales upwards of 180 bucks for complete in the box, 160. So yeah, I paid 40 bucks then to turn into 160. This little Sega Saturn game is worth about 35 to 40 bucks, which I was totally shocked because most sports games, even the old ones, are worth about nothing. And last but not least, this one. The guy was talking with me about it. He said that there's no sold comps per se, which is a little bit scary. There's a couple listing, one for like 330 bucks, one for 180 bucks. So I put mine up for 150 bucks just to see. And I got a couple $120 offers, but I kind of just want to wait. I know I obviously bought a lot of video game stuff. I see some of you guys not appreciating that in my comments, but sometimes you gotta like lock into your own niches, and like I can look at anything and be like, I know the price of that, I can know what to pay, I know what to make, you know? Sometimes you have to do that, but I'm definitely trying to learn to buy other stuff. I do every now and then, and sometimes I won't show it in the videos, but I do buy other things. But if you made it this far, chat, you watched the whole thing, thank you so much for making this far. Put a video game emoji, actually. Put a video game emoji in the comments, and peace out.